Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Where are we going next? Today we've got a special treat for you. We're here at the Barcelo Maya Palace and we've got access to one of the special suites here. This is the Tzintzuntzan suite. I don't know if I said that name right, but I'll put a picture up on screen of what this suite is called. And we're gonna take a quick tour through it. This is one of the nicest rooms we've seen here on property, so we're excited to show you it. This is a sample of the living area. Just kind of pan around this way and you can see wraparound windows here. And I'll give you a little sneak peek of the bedroom area here. And then I'll just give you another sneak peek of the bathroom here too. Oh yeah, wait till we get to here. Without further ado, let's check out this awesome suite. We're gonna take a look at the entrance as you would come in. As you can see, this is decorated so beautifully with these different art pieces and vases. So as you come in, that's not part of the room, that's just our water bottle. We've got this like long table here to set your things on. A beautiful mirror with mosaic tiling all around it. This is very kind of big in this open area here in this like little foyer of the suite. And then just to the left, there's like a little powder room. So looking over here, we've got a beautiful stone sink. I love the like different texture on this. We've got some upgraded toiletries here. It's L'Occitane brand. Mona told me how to say that, but yeah, there's like awesome, like really upgraded luxurious toiletries. And then a small little toilet in here too. And I really like how they have like a small window here just to bring in some natural light. So wrapping around this way, this is what it would look like coming into the suite. And as we walk in, look at this archway we get to walk through into the suite. It's kind of bordered by these two art pieces, this vase here, and another one on this side. Talk about luxury. And then take a look at this. We've got this like lamp right here. It has a nice kind of glow to it, which would look probably really nice at nighttime. So really, really nice like decor in here. We've got this beautiful artwork on the wall here too. These nice ceiling lights. We've got a big, big bench here too, just for additional seating. And if we look over this way, this is the kind of living area, or like I would call this like the dining room here. So we've got a nice table, we've got 4 chairs around it, and they look very comfy chairs too. We've got a big mirror on the wall over here for making the room look even bigger than it already is. Another big lamp over here on the left side. A really special amenity in this room is the coffee nook area. As you can see, we've got a traditional coffee maker with just the coffee and the water that we've seen in a lot of the other rooms. But in here we have like a Nescafe Dolce Gusto, and that's like a pod kind of coffee maker. You can make yourself cappuccinos, chai tea, different coffees and such. So that's awesome. That's a really awesome perk for staying in this suite. We've got all kinds of different coffee mugs here and espresso mugs. And it gives you some instruction on how to use the Dolce Gusto. Just behind that, we have some information about the resort and these different packets right here. So helpful. This is a room service menu here too. And down below, this is the minibar area. So if we open this up, it looks pretty traditional in terms of some of the other offerings we've seen at the other hotel rooms. We've got some chips and mixed nuts. We've got some an ice bucket there. Again, similar to the other hotel rooms, we've got soft drinks here. We've got some mango juice boxes, iced tea, some beers. We got Corona in this room. And then we have some nuts here on the side of the minibar door here. So coming away from the coffee nook area and the minibar, if we wrap around this way, we're heading into the living area. The living area here has a TV stand with some extra storage in here for your things. We've got a small little TV here. Actually, it's a pretty moderate sized TV for this room. And we have a TV changer, which they always show the TV channel, so I'll give you a sneak peek at some of the TV stations that you'll be able to tap into during your stay. All right, and then inside the room here we have some chairs set up with a table just there. And then we have a big sofa, and at this point right now it's set up like a option for another bed, like a single bed here in the room, and then an art piece on the wall as well. Over here we have a lamp with a telephone that connects you to the front desk, guest services, and premium level lounge, anybody you need to connect to help you out during your stay. And then I'll just give you a sneak peek out here. We'll go out here in a few minutes, but to the left, outside the balcony doors, we have some sun loungers with some cushions. And then over this way, we can see kind of like where this balcony leads onto. It's pretty close to the pool area, so just to let you know that. But it does have pretty good access to the pool area here in terms of proximity to all the activities. From the living area here, if we turn over this way, this is going to be the connecting door into the bedroom. So if we head in this way, we can see we've got a beautiful king-size bed. We've got some extra storage and another TV over on this wall here. There's a spot for your luggage to stay right here on this little stand. And then inside the TV console area, we have another mini bar. So we got 2 mini bars in this suite here. And again, similar to the other one, we have waters, soft drinks, some juice boxes, beer, and some mixed nuts, some snacks. And over here, some more snacks, some chips and some nuts. Just above that, lots of space for your things here on the TV console. And we got this small iHome alarm clock, and it's got a connection for like an iPod here, so you can plug in your own music and listen to it in the room. And above that, we got a nice flat screen TV. Just to the right of that, we have beautiful artwork here on the wall, and a small desk with a chair that you can plug into. There's a small mirror here to, get ready, put your makeup on at nighttime. And then we have some outlets here. We've got some USB outlets, and we've got power here as well to charge your devices. And just to the right of that is a sliding door heading out to the balcony area, but we'll head out there in just a second. To the right of that, we have a chair with like a footrest or ottoman, and then a reading lamp above that. So that's a nice place to hang out and read a book. And then beside the bed, we have bedside tables, light switches to connect to all the lights in the room, and a power for your devices. In the bedside table, it's kind of hidden here, but it's just got a little drawer here too for your things and some extra storage underneath. The big king-size bed, we notice the beds here are kind of medium firm, but gives you good support. We found them very comfy for sleeping. Over on this side of the bed, same thing, like a phone just like the other phone in the living area, but these phones are nice because they're kind of handheld, and they don't have a wire, so you can walk around the room with them. And again, we got a thermostat to control the aircon, and the light switches and fan control with a power switch, power outlet on the wall here for your devices. Same drawer and shelf underneath, another spot here for your luggage, and a big mirror here. Hello. Just above the bed, just to keep you cool, we got a nice fan here, and I love the design on this fan. It's got these nice circular fins, like nice kind of modern look to it. All right, so the next step on this suite tour, it just keeps going and going, but this is the best part of the suite. We've got 2 double doors heading into the washroom area here, and then just bordering this entrance into the washroom, we have 2 closets to the left and the right. Inside the closets here, we have similar amenities to what we saw in the front closets. We have an iron and an ironing board. We also have some extra storage up top, some hangers for your things. Over on this side, we've got some extra storage here, some drawers, some pool towels. There's a nice premium level beach bag you can use during your stay, and lots of shelves here for your things. Over across from that wardrobe, we have another one. This one has some robes in here, so you can wear these during your stay, and we got some nice little slippers to keep your feet warm. And then finally on this side, again, just similar to the other one, we have shelving as well, some additional pillows up here too, and then a safe to keep your belongings safe during your stay. There is a laundry bag as well if you want to get any laundry done, but that I think is an additional service to your stay. So that leaves us with this big bathroom to take a peek at. It's very luxurious. You can see 2 sinks here, a double vanity. We've got a big soaker tub over here. And then we have a nice shower just over here inside that little nook over there. So taking a closer look, we've got a nice shower and soaker tub combo here, and then some shampoo, conditioner, and bath gel on the wall. We've got that shower here, also conditioner, shower gel, and shampoo. But this is a beautiful spot for a shower here inside this little nook. But there isn't any privacy beyond the doors that lead in from the bedroom. Inside here, it's just big and open, so just take note of that. To the right, we have a toilet just in here, and then some natural light coming in through this window. This is a beautiful spot here to get ready. We have these beautiful wall sconces that match the stonework and the sinks. On the vanity here, we've got another set of candles just to make things nice and moody and romantic. We have the L'Occitane toiletries here included in the washroom. As you can see here, it's kind of neat. They actually have this thing called a vegetable soap. I think these are hand soaps here. And then a hairdryer on the wall here too. If you wanted to plug in any of your things to help get ready, there is some plug here and then some light switches to control the bathroom. And then a small stool under here too if you wanted to use that to help you get ready. Pretty luxurious bathroom, awesome bedroom. We got a beautiful living area with lots of awesome artwork. The final thing we're gonna take a peek at is the balcony area. So we already looked at the other area with the sun loungers. So if we look out over this way, it leads out onto the balcony. So we've got a screen door here too. Let's just open that up. And as you can see already, you've probably seen the beautiful hammock out here that you could relax in here. This is excellent. Very, very nice. And it looks out over to the pool. I can get a little bit of ocean view through here too, just to see the ocean. And very warm outside. It's extremely conveniently located because there's the lobby right there. So I have awesome access to the pools right here, the pool bar, and then the lobby with all the restaurants and the theater is just over here. So this is an excellent area for like a suite here at the Maya Palace. This is an awesome suite. Like, so if you have the budget and you want to save up some money and have like a really luxurious kind of honeymoon or anniversary gift or anniversary trip, maybe consider this suite. It's pretty luxurious. You'll feel ultra special in it. And what better place to be than the Maya Palace? So that's gonna do it then for this tour. If you found it helpful and you liked taking a little bit of a sneak peek tour through one of the nice suites here at Maya Palace, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out where we're going next.